was a beautiful short trade. Again, pay attention to detail. That's what we explain. Price, as mentioned, double top here, previous high. Price nicely developed false breakout. Price also broke on this high. And we explain, as long as the price is here, don't touch it. Let the price break this one or either this one. Look for the opportunity. So New York session, we had this beautiful momentum bearish, beautiful breakout, nicely hit to the final target and squeeze amazing profit, guys, on Euro USD. Hello traders. Today is the last trading day of the week, 16th of May, blessing Friday 2025. What a blessing day, guys. Let me share with you how we analyze the market and help our traders squeeze amazing profit, guys. Let's look at the analysis. All right, so if you look at the pound dollar, guys, so let me explain to you. And today I'm going to give you a little bit more information. Pay attention how we analyze the price action in more detail. Okay, so the way we look at, we have this impulsive reaction. We haven't seen any impulsive, we have this correction. So we were expecting some price action here around this level. But we, as a being an intraday traders, we also squeeze this counter opportunity. And now let me share with you how we analyze this counter entry and how we analyze this, impulsive move today, this morning. And let's look at the analysis first. So being an intraday, this is what we did. So because as you have seen, we had this thing though we did yesterday at the New York session. I explain in more detail, as you can see here in more detail price action, which is this is what we do every single day, guys. We explain our trader. So we have, this is the first low was broken, and this is the, you can see this is another low here, point of interest. As explained my trader, if the price cannot break one of these point of interest, then we're going to look for the opportunity. As long as the price stay here, we are not looking any opportunity. Safest way, as always mentioned to my trader, every time when the price break and give us the confirmation, that's the high probability trade. So if you look at here, the price broken and give us the confirmation, and being in our intraday platform in system, you can see here we had a momentum bullish. So we explained my trader, just keep taking a pullback long trade here until the price can hit to the specific target, which is around this fifth channel. So this morning we had this long trade yesterday. This morning just before 7:30 we do live analysis. We before that we explained my traders time to consider banking some profit. And let's look at the another price action. So we did another analysis. Let me share with you guys. So this is the analysis we did as explained. Look at this one in more detail. So as explained, based on the price action, we have, first of all, let me share with you the 4-hour chart. So in 4-hour chart, the price was around this level. So I said to my trader, if the price gonna come on and pull back, then I'm expecting this is the target. But if the price is going to refuse, we need a confirmation in intraday. So we had the confirmation, and after this confirmation, if you look ahead, we have this is bearish engulfing candle, we have this impulsive, we have this correction, so we have this impulsive. So all these components align with our trades, and that's why we explain here in more detail. So we are looking, first possibility is going to be towards the momentum and the trend looking a pullback around this level. So let's suppose if the price is going to develop a false breakout, but we need then a confirmation. So if you look at here, the price did not develop any pullback. This is what exactly our intraday system. Price broken. After this breakout, price come back here and give us the confirmation. And price nicely broke on this area. That give us the high probability price developed false breakout. We have this confirmation. Momentum is bearish. That's give us a high probability we have this short trade here. As always, after that we explain, take another pullback. This is the first fifth channel. As explained, my trader, it's time to consider some banking, some profit, and let's wait for the news going to release at the, you can see here, 140, 150, we have banked some profit. And as explained, 3 p.m. London time, we had a high impact news for the dollar. And the news was sort of like positive, as you can see here. So that we did another analysis as explained, let the price break. Price nicely broken and beautiful. As soon as the price is retesting the previous low level, That's what explained my traders time to enjoy amazing profit. So you can see here, this is the analysis we broadcast. This kind of price action we broadcast every single day in our platform. So at the same time, traders can learn. At the same time, this trader can, enjoy and maximize their trading opportunity and bank some amazing profit. All right, let's look at the pound yen. So if you look at the pound yen, guys, if you look at here, we don't have any high, moves, big moves on pound yen. But being an intraday, how we squeeze in and out, that's the what. Because if you look at the basis of that, we were expecting some sort of like a reversal here. But being an intraday, we said any opportunity, even it's a long and short, as long as the valid entry, we're going to take opportunity. So let me share with you guys how we analyze the market. And if you look at here, first of all, we have this beautiful short trade here. And this is the analysis we did at the Asian session. And if you look at the price action, this is what we explained to our trader. We have this impulsive reaction. So this is basically extended correction. We were expecting a short, as you can see, a price broken and pulled back. As soon as the price broken above the previous high, as said to my trader, considered banking some profit. So that was a beautiful short trade we had. And after banking some profit, we were expecting another short trade, which is a pretty straightforward. As you can see here, price nicely broken. After the breakout, we also had another beautiful pullback. As soon as the price hit to this previous high, which is broken, and price sort of developing a double bottom here, that's what explained my trader consider banking some profit, and let's wait for the price action. So New York session, we had another beautiful, as you can see here, that's another beautiful trade we explained today. And the most of the traders really enjoyed this trade. Let me explain to you how we, first of all, if you look at here, the price broken, and based on the price action, price should continue like that. But instead, price develop a false breakout, and this is give us the confirmation. But safest way, as always mentioned to my trader, let the price break the structure, this symmetry triangle pattern, and look for the opportunity. Momentum was developed bullish, so we had this beautiful breakout. Price nicely hit to the profit target, squeeze amazing profit on pound yen. This was the last trade, by the way. And let's look at the Euro USD. If you look at the Euro USD, we had amazing trade, guys. Amazing. As we were expecting a short, by the way, reason if you look at here, we have this impulsive. So price developed this correction. So we were expecting some price action. As you can see, multiple rejection. We had it this morning. We had a one small long trade here. Afterwards, we had a beautiful short trade here. And this was the target which price nicely hit. As you can see here, we bank amazing profit. Now, let me share with you guys how we analyze the entries and exit. So if you look at the Euro USD, okay, so first of all, we had this is the counter long trade here, pretty straightforward. Price nicely broken, even after the breakout, price nicely developed pullback. Price nicely hit to the previous high, especially when the price retest this level. That's what we suggest our trader consider banking some profit. Let's wait for the price action. So technically, we were looking for the news at the New York session. So we had amazing trade in the New York session. Let me share with you guys. That was a beautiful short trade. Again, pay attention to detail. That's what we explain. Price, as mentioned, double top here, previous high. Price Nestle developed false breakout. Price also broke on this high. And we explain, as long as the price is here, don't touch it. Let the price break this one or either this one. Look for the opportunity. So New York session, we had this beautiful momentum bearish, beautiful breakout, nicely hit to the final target and squeeze amazing profit, guys, on Euro USD. All right, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this analysis. But if you want to see all that analysis and the description in detail every single day live, so most welcome. Join our fast growing trader community, guys. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day and have a nice weekend, guys. Until next time, all the best.